Hi, my dear fellows, this is Dr. Luis Vasquez. Welcome to Herbal, your favorite health show. So let's start. I will talk about just briefly about high blood pressure and a very few recommendations. So let's get started. Let's go to the point. Do you care to know why the US is the most obese country in the world? Because you guys are overloaded with junk food, donuts, soft drinks, and so on and so forth. In other words, you guys suffer a lot. You suffer a lot because you don't realize how harmful those junk foods and soft drinks are for you. The mother lode of your pain is ignorance. Titus Lucretius Carus said it 2000 years ago in Greek. The mother lode of every single pain is ignorance. You have no idea. You have absolutely no idea how Europeans laugh at you. Usually Europeans make fun of you Americans. I'm gonna tell you why. I will tell you why. Because you guys keep eating in such a way that not even third world countries eat. You almost eat garbage, which is terrible. It is extremely disappointing. The plant-based lifestyle can cure dozens of diseases. You have no idea. Please make me a favor, which is eventually a favor for you. Read Dr. Colin Campbell's book, The China Study, which is it is a breakthrough in terms of nutrition and how it is powerful to overcome and decrease a lot of your symptoms in terms of a lot of diseases. Another interesting author is Dr. Caldwell Esselstyn. He has a very nice book, Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease. In Germany, you have plenty of authors who demonstrated how effective the plant-based diet it is, such as Dr. Klaus Leitzmann in his book Fleisch essen macht kranken, which in plain English would be something like eat meat and get diseases, sort of speaking. Another very interesting author, which is a medical doctor in Germany, in Michelried, a little town. His name is Dr. Hans Günther Kugler. And you have many more all around the globe. You have plenty of doctors all around the world who have demonstrated how effective the plant-based diet or lifestyle it is. One recommendation, one remedy in order to overcome high blood pressure. Listen to this and write it down on a sheet of paper and do it with no excuses. To decrease high blood pressure, drink this juice. Please do it. Carrot, celery, parsley and lettuce. Half a gallon, yes, half a gallon, it's a big juice, every single morning on a daily basis. Drink it for 6 months or so. You can drink it all your life, it doesn't matter at all. You will see results in less than 2 weeks. Believe me, you'll see results in less than 2 weeks. So every single day, if it's possible, if it's affordable to you, try to check on your blood pressure, and you'll see that in 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks, you'll see a decrease in your levels. On the other hand, we have to talk about, for instance, sea salt. You may eat sea salt. It doesn't matter at all. It is actually very healthy. However, if you eat a lot, tons and tons and tons of refined salt is extremely harmful for your blood vessels. Please avoid it. And the most important thing to decrease your blood levels, avoid red meat, white meat, dairy, poultry, and so on and so forth. Any single corpse that you find, don't eat it. It is plain and simple. Exercise, yes, is also very, very helpful in order to decrease your weight, and furthermore, you will decrease your blood pressure levels, which is fantastic. So exercise on a daily basis. Run, jog, or maybe swim. Just walk around the corner, or do anything. Anything. Just don't go and watch the TV every single night like most of my fellow and friends Americans. Don't do that. Ride your bicycle. Do anything at all. Another very interesting remedy in order to decrease your blood, to decrease your high blood pressure is to fast. Remember to fast 1 day per week, maybe twice per week. When I say fast, I mean from the moment you get up of your bed until the next morning, all day just eat one kind of fruit, just one. But you may eat as much as you can, but only one kind of fruit. I would recommend to eat watermelon, which is fantastic to decrease your blood pressure levors. I'm going to tell you why, because it will help you to urinate more for voiding, yes, and also the watermelon's seeds help in order to increase your oxide nitric in your blood vessels. In other words, it will cause a vasodilation of your blood vessels. In other words, a decrease in your blood pressure levels. It is very simple. It is so easy how to decrease your blood levels that it is very disappointing to me to realize and to travel around the US and see a lot of people with obesity, with a high blood pressure, and so on and so forth. You guys, the Americans, you used to be an example to follow for the entire world. I'm talking about the 20th century. You used to be an example to follow, especially in the 50s, 60s. Not anymore, which is terribly disappointing. But let's recover your honor and your health. You may do it. Be able to exercise your right to be healthy and do what I just told you. Guys, so if you are looking for a physician, I'm a physician, I'm a medical doctor. If you are looking for someone who can treat you by telephone, we are widely open to do so. I live in Mexico. I have a lot of patients from all around the globe in Spanish and English and so on. So if you are willing to give us a call, do it. We will charge you we will manage about the money. It doesn't matter. That's very easy. So give us a call to this number and we will be able to cure you and assess you. So until the next program, like my fellow friends in Germany say, they say like something like, I'll see you later. It is tschüss. So I'll say to you, tschüss.